Hello and welcome to today's library tutorial. Today we are going to talk about course reserves. This is going to be mostly for students. So where we're going to start is, like normal, the library homepage. So if you're on the St. Philip's College page, go to the right, choose menu, go down, select library. And on the library homepage, on the left-hand side, you see an option that says Course Reserves. If you click that, this will take you to our course reserves. Now let me explain a little bit about what the course reserves are. These are books that have been loaned to the library by either professors or specific departments for students to use. So they have a little bit different rules regarding their checkout. You have to have an ID, whether it be your student ID, driver's license, state issued ID, or some sort of government ID to check these out. You cannot take them from the library unless specifically stated. You use them for 2 hours, again, unless specifically stated, and then you can only use them in the library. You cannot take them outside of the library. There are a few of them that are allowed for overnight checkout, but it will specifically say so on the book, and when you are checking them out at the circulation desk in the library, the librarians or the assistants will tell you specifically what the checkout time frame is. However, most of them, I would say about 80% of them, are for a 2-hour checkout inside the library only. There are a limited number of these. Sometimes there is only one book per class. So if it is already checked out, you will have to wait until that book comes back, and then the next person can check it out. To find out if we have a book that you're looking for, you go to this course reserve page, and you can search either by your instructor name or the course name. And you can see here on the list we've got financial accounting, we've got art, biology, sanitation and safety, all kinds of different selections for books, classes, and what the professor is requesting that we carry. So you can look here for a specific book, or you can come to the library circulation desk and ask us. Now, to do that, we will need some information. We will either need the title of the book, the class name and number, or the professor's last name. Those 3 pieces of information, we can then find out what book the professor has left and what the options are for checkout. And so these are just some of the basics that we have. We're more than happy to help you at the circulation desk check out anything you may need. We have quite a few books on the health services. The course reserves also include our anatomy models. We have available for students to use an eyeball, a skeleton, a kidney, a heart, a brain, and an upper torso. So if that is something you're looking for, you won't find it in this list, but if you ask at the circulation desk, then that is something that we can get for you. And again, you cannot leave the library. It's a 2-hour checkout. And when you check out these course reserves, you have to leave your ID. And then when you bring either the book or the anatomical model back to the desk, you will get your ID back. So this is just a short introduction and tutorial to our course reserves. Thank you for joining our tutorial today. Don't forget to check out the other tutorials we have on the website. Have a great day.